Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kill Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. You never guess what just arrived. I'm sitting in it right now. You guessed it. It's the brand new 2026 Honda Prelude. Hands on it now. Quick little visual. I'm going to do a nice hidden features and functions video to help you guys out so you get the full experience. So keep tuned on YouTube to check that out. But let's look at this. Let's honk the horn. Just hear it. That's a good horn. I like that. I love the blue stitching. That looks good. It's something different. It's not that red or orange like you get in the Trail Sport. So it looks pretty good. Honda sensing on the right-hand side of the wheel. The paddle shifters are actually a different color, so black. So I love the different accent on that. The driver's interface is way different than what I'm used to. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to thumb through all this and share all these goodies here with you guys. Very similar, but also different and unique. So that looks nice. Come over here. This is very simple. Oh, look at the blue stitching once again. Nice leather. Cup holders down below. The pedals, of course, got a little chrome action going on. So that's nice. Adjustable vents so we can argue, get your own over there. Oh, this is different and neat. Prelude, blue stitching, all in the blue. Bose sound system once again. I'm going to repeat these because I'm excited. We got the auto-dimming rear mirror. Dude, I actually feel like I'm in a sports car on this thing. It's pretty nice. I love it. Of course, I got all the plastics, everything in there. Of course, in the back, it's not really meant for, backseat drivers in there with you. But you can take them along if you want to because this thing is a coupe. Last time Honda made a coupe was in 2020, the Honda Civic. But the last year, they made a front-wheel drive coupe. So look at this. I love it. Look at the stance on this thing. The curbs and everything. Just look at the plastic on it, of course. Look at these nice alloyed rims. Aggressive looking. I'm going to get a side profile of this thing. It looks like a sports car. It looks like a fun driver car too as well. Now, before we show off all the goodies in the front end, let's kind of do a wrap around here towards the back of the vehicle. You got parking sensors going on. Honda right there. Badge of honor, Prelude again. Dude, this thing looks sweet. Is it unlocked? Oh, it's a massive hatch. Look at all that. So as life happens, challenge accepted, load up, you're good to go. It looks like these seats will come down too as well. Oh, they do. They'll fold down. Nice lights. So you can see what's going on, what's underneath. Couldn't open up all the way. Got courtesy tie downs. Oh, I'm going to have to do a nice detailed walk around this vehicle. There's so many videos I can do on YouTube just to help you guys out. It's beeping. I got the keys in my pocket. Let's jump right over here. Man, I do like that skirt down there below. Just look how the curves and everything go with it. Front end, here we go. Look how it just dips right down. Look at that. Very emotional, very excited here. Didn't plan this video, just kind of going all out for it, Turning indicators right here on the mirrors. Of course, there could be a breakaway. So if you accidentally bump these, not a problem. Looks sharp. All right, let's do one more look here. Open up this door. Manual seats. That is going to be a tight fit. It looks like this is all the way back. Of course, you would have to move up a little bit. Not really designed for passengers in the back seat. Not much room at all. But once again, this is going to be a fun driver car. Go out there with a buddy, best friend. Let's take it out for the weekend. Let's see how all these other buttons are here quick. Dual climate, so we can argue about the temperature, heated seats, a couple of USB-Cs, phone charger right up there, wireless phone charger. Oh yeah, the backup camera. 3 modes. You can see your parking sensors for front and rear parking sensors. Different drive modes. There we go. The list goes on. I'll have more content out there on YouTube and Facebook, much as possible to help you guys out, okay? All right, we'll see you guys soon.